morning! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today we are going to make a healthy dinner, and that is grilled chicken breast wrap. So let's make it. Okay, we just got done marinating our chicken breast. So we will put it on our air fryer to grill it for, I think we could do it for 4 minutes on its side. I use this whole wheat tortillas, and it's got a lot of fiber and no added sugar or any artificial flavors. So that's what I use. Here is our grilled chicken breast wrap, and it looks so delicious and healthy and good for you. So we could still enjoy eating our food and be healthy too. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.